So, hold on. So, my channel name is the_VR_kiddos, okay? Just so you can look at the channel and see the videos. We are currently recording. I don't know if you can see it, but that's red. It means it's recording. So, hello again. Welcome back to another video. We have a guest for this video. So come along. Yeah, I didn't really plan this video. I just kind of did it. So, how much? Okay, I only have 50. Anyway, I'm just hoping to have fun with this guy. They do not have a mic, so, yeah. I'm gonna put the camera somewhere and then I'm gonna put it in first person, which I'll just put it right there and then first person. Okay, right there. So, I was actually about to ask, what is something you would like to do in this video? Wait, would you want to do like tag, I guess, but with the crown? Okay, come on. You'll get the crown first. Come on. The crown is sitting right there. Okay, you have the crown and now we're just gonna play tag. Oh crap, my game. Bro! My game! Where'd you just go? Oh my god, you're over there. Wait, so, Blue Lemur, do you have, like, do you have the option to turn on your mic, or? Oh, I almost got you. Oh, I have it, I got it. Now you gotta tag me. Oh, you got it. Oh no. Oh my god, why can't I get up there? Where do you go? What? Oh wait, there's some down here. Hold on. Okay. I just wanted to look at something real quick. Where are you at? Well, I can see the trail, I just can't see you. Hold on. That's not a good... Where are you at? Oh, you're right there. No. I keep falling, what the heck? I can't get up there, hold on. Oh, you might win. There's like nowhere I can... Oh, you're over there. Oh my gosh. What the heck am I by? Okay. It's very quiet in here. I really thought I got it for a second. Oh, you won. Why is my volume all the way down? That's weird. Yeah, so we'll wait for that to end and then you'll be the tagger next round, and after I find the crown, that is. Yeah, we're just gonna wait for that to end, I guess. You won so far. Okay, my camera's still recording. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna wait for the message that will say find the crown on the map. It hasn't said it yet for me. Oh, there it goes. Please tell me I find it. Yeah, I got, oh, I found it. My headset's already at 15%. That is not a good sign. Ooh, you're right there. What the hecky? Oh, no, you got it. Why did I try to use 2 hands to jump or to get up there? I went like trying to get up there. I really just went like, hold on. I was like, what the heck? I went like trying to get up. That actually kind of worked. Doing that just now kind of worked. Oh. Ah! Oh my gosh. What? I genuinely cannot get you. What the heck? Bro, you are traveling. Like, you are going places. Did I just get it? No, I didn't. Crap, I jumped. Oh, you're on the ground too. Oh, I got so close. Oh, I'm not in my boundary. Okay, I'm in my boundary again. Ah! Yes! I got it! Oh, I juked you! What? Oh, move, water! No! The water! Oh, I got it! No, you have it again. What am I doing in the water, bro? Ah! What? I genuinely cannot get you. What the heck? There's only 16 seconds left. I can barely get or keep the crown for like 5 seconds. Where'd you go? Oh, crap. Oh my god, you're right there. I'm gonna get you. Come on. How did I just... Dang it, bro. You won again, bro. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. I kind of like when you win, you're like that. Where's my camera? It's still over here recording. Yeah, no, it's in first person. We're chilling. We're chilling. Okay. Just waiting to find the crown. I guess I can start looking. Wait, is it over there where I thought it was? No, it's over here again. No, I jumped over you. I did not. No, my boundary. No! Dude. No, you are actually just gonna win again, bro. Where'd you go this time? Oh, let me up. Bro, you know this map so well. What the heck? What is happening? All I'm doing... You're already on the ground? What? I see you, but I cannot run fast anymore. I don't know why, but I can't. No, let me up. You're probably already on the ground. No, you're not, actually. Oh, you're up there. I was just waiting for you to fall. Oh my god, I can't move. What is this? I'm up. Where'd you just go? Come on. No. Yes! No! Ah! Move! What? You know this map way too well.